it's time for the light round question. But for calls, the same as stock said buy, sell, so just good to know the core stock side of the question. We plan to sell. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski down to the lightning round question. Let's start with Tracy in Nevada. Tracy.
Hello, Professor Cramer. Third-time caller. I've been watching you since 2009. And you are the hero of my finances. I am blind, and my husband passed away in 2009. I'm also a widow. And at that time, my finances were very difficult. But watching you and taking your advice, you have helped me rebuild my finances to be very comfortable, and I am eternally grateful for you. You are amazing, and I thank you, thank you. And my question is about Lam Research.
Well, before I answer that, I just want to thank you. As is often the case, when you've been around as long as I do, you say, why am I still doing it? And the answer is, I'm doing it for Tracy. Because that's what I do it for. You're my boss, and I like working for you. And the answer about Lam Research is I like it very much here. LRCX should not have gone down today. I think it's doing extraordinarily well, and it's not just linked entirely with what ASML is. They already told you how much Chinese exposure they have, and they've had to cut it back. So the answer is I would buy it, Tracy, and thank you for your kind words. Let's go to Leon in Pennsylvania. Leon.
Good evening, Professor Cramer.
What's going on?
Suncor Energy. And,
well, you know what? There's another time when energy wasn't so bad that I would say Suncor 4% yield. Let's give it a shot. No shots are being given in this industry. I can't do that. We own Coterra for the Charitable Trust, and that's the only one that I countenance other than Chevron after spending a lot of good time, quality time with Mike Wirth on a platform in the Gulf of Mexico. He'd be the CEO. I want to go to Vikram in New Jersey. Vikram.
Hi, Jim. How you doing? Boy, I love you. I love your show.
Well, thank you, man. Thank you.
Awesome. I wanted to take your opinion on Oklo.
Okay, Oklo is a short squeeze. Anyone, like right now, there's like another GameStop short squeeze. I get it, tired of this short squeeze. Here's my rap on short squeezes. I learned early on that if you play them, they're like musical chairs. If you're cool with the music and you think you can anticipate when it ends, bingo, it's all for you. If you can't, then you're like me. I don't want to play. Let's go to David in Wisconsin. David.
Yes, how are you doing today, Jim?
I am doing well. How about you, David?
I'm doing quite well. I am interested in a company. It's an eVTOL company. It's electrical, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It's Joby Aviation.
Yeah.
Symbol is Joby.
Well, they just raised capital, and that capital is going to let them, you know, they've got enough money to be able to last for some time. So I'm going to countenance buying it until they get, until that money kind of runs out. I think you're okay for now because of the 40 million shares that they sold at 505, and that's not that far from here. But if it gets to 7, I would take the money and ka-ching, ka-ching. Let's go to Sam, Massachusetts. Sam.
Jim, listen, it's pretty unusual. You get a stock down 81% year to date, but that is exactly what the case is with Solar Edge Technology.
Well, Sam, I'm going to give you some positive news about Solar Edge Technology. I've been in this business a long time, and I have learned one thing. Stocks stop at 0. Let's go to Jay in Oklahoma. Jay.
Booyah, Mr. Jim. Hey, man.
Whoa.
You are a rock star. Hey,
well,
question
okay.
is on QS. They recently sent out their latest solid-state technology battery to their customers for testing. Have you heard anything about that? And
no. I mean, QuantumScape, the guys who told me to buy QuantumScape, they were quantum wrong. So I don't want to be quantum wrong. I want to be quantum right. I would avoid QuantumScape, quantum escape, so to speak. How about we go to Don in Kansas? Don.
Yes, Jim Cramer.
Yeah, Don.
My question is about Net Apps. November Tango Alpha Papa.
That's a good company. They're making a lot of money. It's not expensive. I'm all in. We saw them in San Jose. We were having really good food outside in Mexican bar. I saw it. I said, I'm going to look into this. It turned out to be very cheap. And by the way, the bar had unbelievable mezcal. I mean, every kind, except for my wife's. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.